So here when David Cook and DeFranco finishes, we're here with Chad. So as you can see, Chad has been working away at this room, and so the trimming every room is getting colored. What's that? Not on? Epic failure. Epic fail. So Chad is working on spray and trim. So we have, you can see our Airless. It's a Graco 390. And the paint we're just using Pro Classic from Sherwin Williams, semi-gloss. We are using a 315 tip, I believe, on this one. So we got adjusted the pressure yesterday as he's working. Had to do some work on the drywall, but now it's just a matter of everything's masked. So now we get to spray. So the trim in here is this, I don't even know what color it is, orangey, yellow stuff. I don't know what color. So you can see the difference in color between the two. One's definitely more orange, more lighter. So definitely a difference in color compared to that. Lighter, nicer. Again, we're just using the Airless sprayer in this. We don't really use HVLPs for spraying trim. We just use the Airless. It goes on nice. Pro Classic dries out nice, flat, easy to touch up if we need to. And it's cost effective. The material lays down great, works great in the sprayer, doesn't get clogged up. Pro Classic's one of our favorites for spraying. It really is. You can get into some of the other hybrids, like they have the Emerald or Advance, the hybrid urethanes. I know they get a lot of traction on those, but the only thing I don't like about those is it takes a long time to dry. So here, he's spraying, we'll have a coat on this, go to a different room, work in a different room, and in an hour we're coming back and we're spraying it again, and it's dry enough that we can sand it or do any touch-ups, so it works great. Whereas the urethanes, again, you're waiting a long time to get it done in between. And this nice carpet's getting replaced, so you don't have to worry about masking off the carpeting. This has been a really fun project. I'm looking forward to seeing when it's all done. Looking forward to seeing the board members to see the difference of everything that's happening here. So you got questions on painting with your house or your trim, whatever, even some equipment you're using, let us know. Love to see how we can help you. Love the space you're in, repainting, wallpaper, cabinet refinishing. You guys have a great day and God bless.